Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock here from Design Build Solutions. So I want to show you a quick example of how you can drop an electrical fixture that actually will go inside a niche like this. I have a niche here. Let me show you an example that I want to put this electrical fixture inside that bookshelf niche so that it can swing out over the bed or back into the niche. Let's do this quickly. I've got this example like this on this side done already, and I'll show you what I did. Drop the lamp or the fixture that you want in there, any electrical fixture, and then I'm going to use this little tool right here, Convert Selected to Symbol. Now, if you don't have this toolbar down here at the bottom of your screen, it may pop up somewhere else on your screen, or you can right-click. You might have to double right-click on here, and there is this option as well, Convert Selected to Symbol. I'm going to name this lamp, and I made it electrical. Now, I don't want to add it back to my library because it's, number one, it's already in here, and number two, I just want it as a symbol in this file alone. And when I click OK, now I have a symbol that is not going to snap to a wall, to a cabinet, to a soffit, etc. Because this one, I cannot get that inside the wall. It only stays on the surface of the wall. It'll attach to this cabinet here, etc. Now that I've got this as a symbol, I can just control, move around. I could rotate it any way I like. And I happen to know I want it off the floor 58 inches. I'm going to delete that. And let's take a look back at this side. There we have it, inside the niche. Hope this helps. Have a great day. Click like and subscribe. Catch you next time.